Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can fix the League of Legends is not updating on your PC. So this is very common error and I will show you the effective solution that you need to apply to fix this problem. So first right click on your League of Legends launcher, go to its properties, go to the compatibility tab and check this box of the compatibility mode and choose the Windows 8 and disable full screen optimization and run as administrator. These are the very important settings that you need to apply to fix this problem. Then you can simply restart your PC and after the restart your problem is fixed. And if your problem is not fixed, then you can open up the Riot Games, click on the League of Legends. So now from here, just click on the account option you are seeing on the top. So once you click on that, you will see the settings. So you just need to click on the settings. Here you will see the repair option. So once you click on the repair, now this built-in function will start repairing your encrypted files or any missing files in your game, and this can fix them automatically, and it can also verify the files which are on the servers. So you just need to apply this step, and after that just restart your PC and this will definitely fix your problem. And if your problem is still not fixed, then you can check if you have the minimum disk space in your disk where you want to install the update or where your League of Legends is installed. You can check the space. After that, if you don't have the space, then you can uninstall League of Legends and then again install on the disk which have the space. Then you can go to the Windows type at the CMD and run as administrator. So when it was open, now here you just need to type the command which is the ipconfig space and forward slash and then flush DNS. So once you type it, just hit the enter. Now it will give you the message like this, and now you have to just type the command which is ipconfig space forward slash and then release. Once you type it, just hit the enter, and then you have to just type the command which is the ipconfig space forward slash and then renew. And these all command I also give you in the description box, so you can easily copy and paste these commands, and you can also type them manually. It is not a very big problem. Then you have to just type the command which is the NETS sock reset. So once you type it, just hit the enter, and after that it will ask you for the restart. So you can just restart your PC, and after the restart your problem is definitely fixed. And guys, if your problem is still not fixed after this solution, then you can go to the Windows type at the control panel, or you can type the ncpa.cpl. This is exactly the same control panel settings, and here you will see your Wi-Fi or your Ethernet. So you can just right click on your Wi-Fi or your connection, go to its properties, and here you can scroll down, you will see the internet protocol version 6. So guys, you just need to make sure that this is unchecked on your PC, and after that just highlight the internet protocol version 4, go to its properties and click on the use the following DNS, and in the preferred DNS type the 8888 and in the alternate type the 8844. So guys, this is the best Google DNS server that you need to apply. Then click on the OK. Then you can just simply restart your PC, and after the restart your problem is definitely fixed. Guys, this is how you can fix this problem, and if your problem is fixed, so please make sure you like this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.